Welcome back to Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. We do totally accurate and fun battles. Campaign time with the pirates?
Sure.
Pirate campaign. Now, which one? How about
Everywhere harpoons.
board the ship?
Okay.
So we gotta board the ship. So we are the bad guys attacking this. So how do we board the ship? Awancha?
You gonna watch us?
Bringing some Renaissance. And then how about Phalanx?
No, I think we need to get Cavalry Rush to get up here, right? To defeat some.
We'll have a Phalanx. And some shields in front of them. Does this look like an okay idea? And we've brought our Hawacha, our siege equipment. We've brought our, and then we're gonna bring a couple Brave Hoplites to charge the other flanks. Sort of front. And one very brave Citizen Pikeman volunteered. We didn't force him to do this, but he volunteered to be the one man who charged. Ah! Shoot! It's scary when you're fighting and then a cannonball just immediately blasts past. Charge! Ah! The cannonballs! Where was he aiming for the captain? Captain's log? I don't know, he shot me in the back!
Get the watcher ready!
Did the Hawacha die? Yep, he's running down some supporting fire.
Get the watcher, we need to beat the watcher.
Okay, we have to be this man and we gotta snipe the harpooners and people who are coming down. Hawacha, reload! Okay, we got the captain. He got showered by a rain of arrows from the Hawacha. Fire the snakes! Okay, is the Hawacha still alive? No, it died. No, he's grabbed me! He hasn't grabbed me. He's grabbed my friend though. Oh no, he's got me! He's got me! Ah!
Still alive.
Nope, I wasn't. I died. And now they're grabbing the other people and dragging them.
Oh, there's an explosion.
Okay, shall we charge using Minotaurs?
No, cavalry.
Cavalry?
Batty boys.
How about 2 Renaissance Jousters? A big old barren land. And then some good old... How about painters to run up the flanks? Well, hopefully this works. Alright, it was a battle. Both of the all the muskets fired. And the jouster, one of the jousters got completely wrecked by the captain. Oh no. No, he has a sword. He has a big sword. He has a really big guns and swords. Yeah! Fire out the deck. Okay, time to get up here. Is this no? What did I chase by the captain? Yeah, the captain chasing me.
You snatched it in the back.
And they're snatching our muskets. Fire! Victory! The good old captain. Okay, we're surrounded. A butt ton of just range coming in. The dynasty with the really cool samurai. So we're gonna have our samurai. Now we need melee warriors. What's up the brawlers? They're gonna be tanking as the samurai block. This looks like an okay idea. And then I'm thinking one ice archer just hide in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna be the ice archer. There are people everywhere. Literally everywhere. My flanks, my gangplank, Okay, looks like we're winning on this flank. Probably because I put more units here. But those bombardiers are doing a great job of clearing out these little places. The battle's all over the place. You, soldier, get up the gangplank. Dude. Well, sweet, sweet victory. Ooh. Okay, we have some blunderbuss in the middle. Blunderbuss in our midst. Okay, we need the berserkers to jump. Good old samurais, because they can block. We'll put them right next to the blunderbuss, so hopefully they can deal with the blunderbuss. And an outer circle of brawlers. And one ice archer in the mix. Ah! Oh no, the battle's everywhere. I'm coming up to these peasants. Ah! Jeez, you're really good at melee. And I just got shot. The battle is all over the arena. There's like 10 units. Oh, I just got sniped by what, a cannon? Army is just walking around and getting torn to shreds by the cannons. So using the berserkers to try to get the cannons didn't work. But the cannons are so funny because when they hit a unit, they just make them fly. Oh, there goes. Maybe I put the berserkers too far up. I'll put the berserkers back a little bit. Then we need maybe some dynasty. I still think the samurai are good, so we're gonna put them on the outside this time. To deal with all the flintlocks. The thing about the pirates is they don't really have a good melee guy. I think the halberds might be a good counter. Yeah, I need somebody to take care of the middle. How about some painters? They're cheap. They're relatively decent melee. And they'll distract. And the halberds take out this. And then one fencer. Followed by a farmer on this side. This looks like a very great idea. Okay, that one berserker is on the cannon. I'm gonna be this halberdier. And we're gonna have to try to execute these damn blunderbuss! Die, you idiots! The battle is everywhere! Okay, action! Yes! I have the reach advantage. Oh no. Okay, come on. Slice them! No, I missed! Oh, I take the shot! Yeah! So, who knew a halberd could take a shot? I guess they have relatively good health. Okay, X marks the spot, I guess, if you go diagonally. But I have a captain. I have a captain of my own. So, berserkers take out the cannons. Samurai is my infantry. Just going in. Gonna slice everybody up. And the halberds, they did pretty good. I mean, they didn't do the best, but they did decent, so I'm tempted to go with them again. Again, one halberd, two halberd. I'm not gonna go that hard in the halberds and some fences. Yeah, fencing time. And if you wanna see me fight, come back to next video. See you next time.